Jeans get a hold, I know what to do. I just whip out some scissors, cut another hole or two. Yeah, I'm really good at fixing things without really fixing anything. When I hear a strange noise from the hood of my truck, I know what to do, just turn that radio up. Yeah, I'm really good at fixing things without really fixing anything. So when you went and broke my heart, I knew what to do right from the start. Found me a stranger in a honky-tonk park, drink a little too much, went a little too far. When I'm walking down the street and I see you coming, I turn the other way like I just remember something. Yeah, I'm really good at fixing things without really fixing anything. Yeah, when you went and broke my heart, I knew what to do right from the start. Found me a stranger in a honky-tonk bar, drink a little too much, went a little too far. I could get dressed up and get you back, but we both know what's gonna happen after that. 'Cause I'm really good at fixing things the same way I do everything. Yeah, I'm really good at fixing things without really fixing anything.
Let's learn Fixin' Things. It's choreographed by Jamie Barnfield. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance. Tag 1 will happen on the end of walls 3 and 6. Tag 2 will happen on the end of wall 5. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags and how they happen, and then we're going to go through and do 7 walls of the dance so that you know where everything happens and how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Fixin' Things. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a kickball change. So we're going to kick our right foot low and forward, step your right next to your left, and then slightly step your left foot forward. We're now going to do a right toe strut with a clap. So you're going to take your right toe, touch it forward with a bent knee, and as you drop your heel and take weight onto that right foot, you're going to clap your hands. We're going to repeat that to the left. So we're going to do a kickball change with our left, kicking our left foot low and forward. Step your left next to your right and do a slight step forward with your right. You're now going to do a left toe strut with a clap, taking your left toe, touch it forward, and as you drop your heel and take weight onto your left foot, you're going to clap your hands. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your kickball change. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, you're going to touch your right toe forward. You're going to point your right toe to the right side, and now we're going to weave, crossing our right behind our left foot to the side, cross your right over your left. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a weave quarter turn, crossing your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts, starting with your touch forward. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3, you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, and you're going to shuffle back with your right, stepping back with your right. Bring your left foot in and next to your right, step back with your right. We're now going to do 2 walks back, stepping back left, right, and we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. Let's try that with some counts. Rocking forward, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2 walks forward, step forward right, step forward left. We're now going to do a kickball change, kicking that right foot forward. Step your right next to your left and do a slight step forward with your left. We're now going to do a rocking chair. You're going to rock forward on your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back onto your right foot, and recover forward on your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our left coaster step. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your kickball change. Kickball change, toe, strut. Kickball change, toe, strut. Touch forward, point side, behind side, cross side, rock, recover, behind quarter forward. Rock forward, recover, shuffle back. Walk back, back, coaster step, 2 walks. Walk, walk, kickball change, rocking chair. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your kickball change. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now you do have an option at the end of the dance. If you would like to substitute out that rocking chair, you can make it into 2 half pivots. So when you would do your rocking chair, you would go step, half pivot over your left shoulder, step, half pivot over your left shoulder, and you would return to the wall. That choice is up to you. So now let's talk about the tags. Tag 1 is going to happen on the end of wall 3 and 6. So the first time we do it, we'll be facing 9 o'clock. You're going to do a rock, recover, and a coaster step to both sides. So we would dance the full 32 counts. We would have just done our rocking chair. You're going to rock forward, rock right, recover back onto your left, and you're going to do a right coaster step, stepping right back, left together, right forward. You're now going to rock forward on your left, recover back onto your right, and do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward, and then you would continue on with the dance. You'll then have your next tag at the end of wall 5. When we are facing 3 o'clock, you're going to do that full 32 counts. It will put you at 3 o'clock. You would have ended the dance with your rocking chair. This is going to be tag 2. Tag 2 will be a rocking chair, so you're going to end up doing 2 in a row. So we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right, recover forward on your left, and then you'll continue the dance on from there. That will be wall 6. At the end of wall 6, you're going to do your rock, recover, coaster step to the right and the left again. The song and the music is going to sound exactly the same when you're doing the 2 tags on walls 3 and 6. It's going to have music without any lyrics added on to the end of each wall. When you're doing the rocking chair, it's going to have a couple extra counts. You'll be able to kind of hear it coming as you're doing the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transitions between all of the tags. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your kickball change. Kickball change, toe, strut. Kickball change, toe, strut. Touch forward, point side, behind side, cross side, rock, recover, behind quarter forward. Rock forward, recover, shuffle back. Walk back, back, coaster step, 2 walks forward, right, left, kickball change, rocking chair. Start over. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of this wall, you're going to add on tag 1, kickball change, toe, strut. Kickball change, toe, strut. Touch forward, point side, behind side, cross side, rock, recover, behind quarter forward. Rock forward, recover, shuffle back. Walk back, back, coaster step, 2 walks forward, kickball change, rocking chair. Add on your tag, rock forward, 1, 2, coaster step, rock, recover, coaster step, start over. It's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of this wall, you're going to add on tag 2, which is your rocking chair. Kick, ball, change, toe, strut. Kick, ball, change, toe, strut. Touch forward, point side. Behind side, cross side, rock, recover. Behind quarter forward, rock forward, recover, shuffle back. Walk back, back, coaster step, walk forward, kick, ball, change. Now you're rocking chair. Add a second rocking chair, rock, recover, rock back, recover. At the end of this wall, you're going to add on tag 1, which is your rocking coaster step. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Add on your tag. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Start over. Kick, ball, change, toe, strut. Kick, ball, change, toe, strut. Touch forward, point side. Behind side, cross side, rock, recover. Behind quarter forward, rock forward, recover, shuffle back. Walk back, back, coaster step. Walk forward in your kick, ball, change in your rocking chair. And that is the whole dance. After that, you'll just dance all the way through. The dance ends naturally. Facing the front wall, you will do your rock, recover, and your weave quarter turn. And that will be the end of the dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo and practice as much as you would like so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Fixin things. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
When my jeans get a hold, I know what to do. I just whip out some scissors, cut another hole or two. Yeah, I'm really good at fixing things without really fixing anything. When I hear a strange noise from the hood of my truck, I know what to do. Just turn that radio up. Yeah, I'm really good at fixing things without really fixing anything. So when you went and broke my heart, I knew what to do right from the start. Found me a stranger in a honky-tonk bar. Drink a little too much, went a little too far. When I'm walking down the street and I see you coming.